Hello again. As you know, I'm Eli the Computer Guy over here for Everyman IT, and today's class is affiliate ad networks for website monetization. So we had a class on how to use Google AdSense to monetize your website, and today's class will be how to use affiliate ad networks to monetize your website. Now, the thing to remember is when you're dealing with companies like Google AdSense, you get paid either cost per click or cost per thousand impressions, either CPC or CPM. Once you start dealing with affiliate advertising, you start getting paid a commission based on what people do when they click through the link and go to the person's site. So sometimes you will get a commission if people sign up for an account. Even if it's a free account, you'll get a commission, $1 to $5. Or you'll get a commission on the purchase price for what they bought. So if they bought a $100 item from the vendor, that vendor will give you a percentage of the price. So the main thing to remember between affiliate advertising and something like Google AdSense is you are getting paid a commission based on what the visitors that come through the links do. So if they don't do anything, you don't get paid anything. So if an affiliate's banner ad shows up 100,000 times, but nobody actually clicks through that banner ad and buys something, well, then you don't make any money. This is a very important thing. Now, with affiliate ad networks, what we're talking about here is you will see, if you go to most web companies now, they will have an affiliate program where basically you can go to that company, you can say, I want to be an affiliate. You put a little banner ad on your site, and then you make a commission based off those sales. Well, what affiliate networks are is basically it's a grouping of lots and lots and lots and thousands of these individual affiliate programs into one website or into one service, so you can sign up for that one service and then navigate through all of these different affiliate programs. So instead of having to go to each individual vendor you want to become an affiliate from, you can go to one of these affiliate ad networks, create an account with the entire network, and then go in and pick and choose advertising as you need. So this class is affiliate ad networks for website monetization. We'll talk about how all of this works to make you money, and then do a little demonstration so you really understand what's going on. So with that, give me a second and we'll dive into this class. So let's talk about these affiliate programs so that you really understand what's going on. The main thing to understand with affiliate programs is that you basically sign a digital contract to become a member of one of these affiliate programs, and then depending upon each individual vendor depends on what you get paid. So again, if you go to Google AdSense and you set up a Google AdSense account, you just plaster advertising on your site, and then you get paid. There's not a lot of thought to it. Once you start doing affiliate marketing, you actually have to look at the little contract you're signing to understand what you get paid for and what all of the terms are. So even when you go to an affiliate ad network, each individual vendor in that ad network has their own requirements and their own payout standards. So some people might pay you per click. Other people may pay you per new account created or per lead. Others may pay you a commission off of the first sale. Others may pay you a commission off all sales within the first month. You have to understand that whatever affiliate you're using, they have their own standards. So some affiliates may pay more, some affiliates may pay less. You really have to look at what you're signing up for. So when you go and you're going to go to one of these affiliate ad networks, there's Commission Junction, or there's a company called Link Share. There's a few of these out there. Like I say, I use Commission Junction or Link Share. Basically, you'll go and you will create an account with one of these companies. Once they've decided that you have a legitimate website, they will give you access, and you will go in and you will see all the affiliate programs they have. And like I say, they will have hundreds or they will have thousands. When you go in there, you then will look for the types of companies that you want to try to sell on your business. So, if you're a computer company like me, you'll go for like McAfee for antivirus, Kaspersky for antivirus, Newegg.com for selling computer stuff. So you'll find stuff that fits within your parameters. You will then, within that affiliate ad network, reapply or apply to these different programs. So some of these programs will be automatic. So basically, you go in and you say, I want to put, Newegg.com banner ads on my site. You click, I accept the license agreement or such, and it automatically happens. Other affiliate programs will actually take a look at your site, and they will vet you to make sure you have a decent site before you're able to put banner ads on the site. Then, after you've accepted all the agreements, you will go and you will see that most of these vendors have anywhere between 10 to 100 different banner ads. So if you need a vertical banner ad or a square banner ad, or you need a flashy banner ad that does a lot of stuff, they will have lots and lots of different banner ads for all these vendors. What you do is you select the type of banner ad that will fit best and look best on your website, and then all you do is you copy and paste the code that they give you. And it's really that simple. Basically, you go in, you become a member of the affiliate network. You go in and you apply for the affiliate that you actually want to do business for. When they accept you, you go in, you find the banner ad that you like, you copy the code, you paste that code onto your source HTML file, and now you're presenting banner ads to the world. It's that simple. Now, what you need to understand when you're looking for different vendors to advertise for, you need to look at what their terms and conditions are. So the first thing that you're going to look at is what is the life expectancy of the cookie. What this means is when somebody goes to your site, they click on the banner ad and they go to the vendor site. When they click on the banner ad, a cookie is dropped into their web browser. Now, what will happen is your commission will be paid while that cookie is still alive. So sometimes the cookies can be alive for 7 days, 15 days, 30 days, or 45 days. Usually they don't go above 45 days. So here's the thing. Remember, as I talked about in the website monetization class, most people don't buy things when they see them the first time. It's not like they click through, they see a product and they go, oh, I need that now, and they buy it. That almost never happens. What happens is they click through the banner ad, they look at the product, they go, wow, that's kind of nice. I think I want one of those, but let me think about it, or let me talk to my wife, or let me talk to my partner. They go away, they go talk to somebody, they bring it back, they show it on the computer again, maybe the next day, so you're on day number 2, and then the partner says, yeah, I think we should get that, but do we have enough money? And he goes, oh, yeah, I haven't thought about the budget. Okay, let's give it another day. And so it comes back, let's say day 3 or 4, they won't buy it the first day, the first time they see the product. They will buy it some point into the future. So what you want to be careful about with the life of the cookie is if the life of the cookie is 7 days and they come on the 8th day and purchase the product, guess what? You just gave away absolutely free advertising because the cookie lasted 7 days, they're buying it on the 8th, which means your cookie is dead, which means you're not going to get paid any commission. So this is something to be very, very, very careful about when you're selecting your affiliate programs that you're going to sell stuff for. I like seeing a 30-day cookie life. Like I say, having been in business, having sold product, having sold a lot of product, people don't buy the first time they see something. They don't buy the second time they see something. Hell, they probably don't buy in a week, a month. It could be 25 days later that they finally go back and buy that product or service. And I mean, you don't want to be giving away free advertising. At least I don't think you should. Now, the next thing that you should look at is then what is the commission that you are going to be paid, and what is the time frame for the commission that you're going to get paid. So you have a commission, right? Now the question is, we talked about that life of the cookie. So with different affiliate programs, sometimes you get paid by the first purchase, So somebody clicks through, let's say to newegg.com, they decide they're going to buy a computer, you get 2% off the price of that computer. If they go and they say, oh, I also need a printer with the computer, and they buy something the next day, you don't get any commission off of that. I'm not saying specifically for newegg.com, don't catch me with that, but this is how it works. So basically, some of them, you get paid off of first sale. So if they, let's say they go to a site and they buy a little $50 item the first time, you know, you make $2. Woohoo! Well, if the next day they go back and they buy that supercomputer for $3,000, well, you just lost out on the commission, because the first sale, that the first thing that the person bought was that little, you know, $50 rinky-dink hard drive or something. So this is something to think about. Is it the first sale, or is your commission over a length of time? So a lot of times with these cookies, what they'll say is you'll get all the purchases, or a commission off of all the purchases, for 1 to 15 days after the first purchase. So basically somebody clicks through, they buy a hard drive today. Wow, they get it in the mail really quick. So within 4 days, they get it in the mail. You know, it was cheap, it's a good quality. So then they go, hey, I should buy a couple of monitors, and they should buy a couple of this, and they should buy a couple of this, should buy a couple of this. Well, here's the thing. In these programs, you will get paid a commission based on everything purchased within that time frame. So if they buy a $50 thing the first time, and then a $1,000 thing, and then a $20 thing, and then a $500 thing, you get a commission off of all of that. So this is, again, something to be very careful about, because, you know, or to look at, because you want to be earning as much of a commission as possible. You know, just getting on the first sale, yeah, you know. The next thing with the commissions and with the links is, now normally when you put a banner ad on the site, or the banner ads that you're used to, you know, it says banner ad and it'll say like newegg.com, and you click on that banner ad to newegg.com and you just go to newegg.com, and then people can wander through and buy or not buy. Well, there's something that makes selling a whole lot easier, and that is called deep linking. And this is what you should look for any of your affiliate programs. What deep linking means is that you can link to specific products. So especially, you know, in the web publishing world, you are probably, you know, legitimately talking about products. I talk about hard drives. I talk about a web delivery video platforms and such. I mean, just talking about things like you should tell people, you will talk about specific products. So you can give people links, and instead of just sending them to the website willy-nilly, you can give them a deep link to the specific product you're talking about. So let's say, you know, there's the Cisco AeroNet wireless access points that I talk about, the greatest things in the world. Well, you know, if I am doing a review on those, instead of simply saying at the end, you can buy them at newegg.com, I can say, take a look at this product on newegg.com by following this link. That link will put them exactly right onto that Cisco AeroNet wireless router. They'll go, wow, this is amazing. And so, you know, so you don't have to worry about them getting lost, you know, etc. Because if you drop somebody just onto a website, remember, customers are customers. Customers are like you, customers are like me. You know, they may be looking for that Cisco AeroNet wireless access point, but, you know, they're navigating around this massive site and they can't find it, and they get frustrated and they finally don't buy it, even if they're interested in buying it. So deep linking, that penetrates all the way down, and so you can get a link specifically for the product you're talking about. Now, finally, just on this overview part, the next thing you have to think about when you're going for these affiliate programs is, when will you get paid? Again, you know, talking about this is web publishing, this is a business. Some of these programs are like insane. I mean, you can look at, you know, 90 days for payment. I've seen it above 90 days. So 90 days after the month that ends when the clicks happened. So, you know, if you're in the beginning of the month, if it's the 1st of, let's say, September, and they have 90 days after the end of the month when the transaction happens, that means you're waiting 120 days to get paid. That means you're waiting 4 months to get paid. Again, this is what I'm going to warn you again and again and again in the web publishing world. This is fine if you're a teenager and you're making a little extra gas money, or you want to take your girlfriend out. You know, if waiting 100 days, 20 days, who cares? But if you're really trying to run a real web publishing business, this idea of when you're actually going to get a check is a massive, massive, massive thing. So look at this before you decide to put the ads up on the on your website. The other thing is what is the minimum that is required for them to do a payout? Again, this is something that you have to be careful with. Sometimes it's for the entire affiliate network, other times it's per affiliate. Do you have to sell $10 worth of product? Do you have to sell $100 worth of product before they will cut you a check? Because I mean, that can be a real problem. Let's say they say, we will cut you a check as soon as you sell, you get a commission for $100 of our product. And you get up to $98. And then people, for whatever reason, just stop buying. They just don't like whatever product this is. Well, that means technically you've made $98, but that affiliate will never cut you a check because the minimum that you had to earn off of them was $100. Now, this may be a little extreme, $100, but this is something that you really do need to look at. So the question is how long till you get paid? Again, read the contract, read what it's saying, because it can be insane. Like I say, 4 months, 5 months, etc. And then also, what is the minimum before they pay out? Because you can put all those banner ads up there, and I'm not joking. I mean, like, you can have you can have $98 just sitting there forever. But until you hit the mark, that minimum mark, they will never cut you a check. So now that we've talked about those things, let's head over to the computer. We'll log into my account with Commission Junction, and I'll show you how all this stuff really works on a computer. So here we are. We're sitting in Commission Junction. So Commission Junction is one of these ad affiliate networks. So this is inside my account. You can see for last year, this opens up like AdSense does with report what you've done. So last year when I was using this, I made $502.27. It shows me what my estimated the amount that I made per 1,000 impressions was $8.42, and the EPC is estimated price per click, or profit per click, was $103.77. Now this is skewed, so don't think, oh my golly, Eli made $103 for every click that he got. The reason this is skewed is I made this money while the Eli the Computer Guy, the repair shop, was open, and therefore I used my own banner ads to purchase products. So for most of this money came from Mozy, the online backup software. So since I was selling Mozy to my clients, when I went to their office and I asked them if they wanted to sign up for Mozy, and they said yes, I would use my banner ad to sign them up. That's why it made so much money pretty easily. But yeah, so don't think that this amount of money, $103.77 per click, is normal. But basically, this is the standard little reporting page you'll see. So you'll see how much you've earned in whatever time period is, the sales, leads, clicks, impressions, etc. Now, if you need to get links, so you want to get the banner ads, the first thing is you're going to have to find the affiliate program that you like. In order to do that, you go over here to this tab called Get Links, and this brings up a whole list of categories for all types of companies that do all types of things. You can do handbag companies, or bath and body companies, or electronic game companies, or back to school companies. So if we click to a back to school company, it then pops up and shows us the companies that have affiliate programs listed here. So there's a fabric.com and there's a bookbite.com. Now, we go in, and what we can do is we can click on the link. And by clicking on the link, this is going to show us the contract, or basically the agreement that we will be agreeing to if we become an affiliate partner for this company called fabric.com. So this is what tells you how you'll get paid. So it says earn up to 10% commission. So if we scroll down, we get the easier to read version of this. And it says, the action criteria. So when somebody clicks through to fabric.com, the customer must complete an online purchase within our shopping cart. So this tells you this is not pay per click. This is commission. They have to make a purchase. Action referral period is 45 days. So this would mean the cookie that we talked about would last for 45 days, and the action referral occurrences is unlimited. So this is one of those good companies where the cookie lasts a long time, and you keep making a commission for the entire 45 days if they buy something. So if they buy one thing, you make a commission. If they buy 50 things in 45 days, you make a commission, and then the commission rate is 8%. So you would be making 8% off of anything that the person purchased within 45 days of clicking through. So that would be the rules for this particular company. Then we can see what type of ads they have. So right here where it says get links, we can click on the links. And this will show the different types of ads that you can put on your site. So this link right here, this fabric.com, is a 120 by 60 button. So you could put that on your site. You could put this get 15% off text. So it's text. It kind of looks like AdSense. An 88 by 31 micro button. 468 by 60 banner ad. So they provide you with an insane amount of different banner ads to fit whatever spot you have. So you've got this big square, you've got this text, you've got this little square, you got this tiny square, you got this big horizontal thing, you got this thing that looks like a coupon. Basically whatever size and shape you could possibly want is what you get. Then if you want to put this onto your site, all you would do is you go over and you click this Get HTML. So right now we are not actually a member. We are not an affiliate of this company yet. So if we close out of this, we can go over here, and if we check the button by whatever affiliate program we want to be a member of, so we can check this, and then we do Apply to Program. Then Apply to Program, you get this little thing that comes up. The advertiser manually publishers manually. Your application will be set. So for this company, Fabric.com, they do not automatically approve you. They have to manually approve you. So, but that's all you do to try to go to the approval process. Now, once you're approved, you can go over to this link. It says Buy Relationship. So these are companies I already have a relationship with. This Mosey Backup, like I was talking about. I can click on Mosey Backup. This shows all the information, how much money you make, action referral period, 100 days, action referral occurrences twice. So I will only get paid 2 times. Then if you go over, let's say to the banner ads, you pick what banner ad you want, and then you click this button. See, now this is active. Since this is actually, I actually have an agreement with this affiliate, this is active. So I just click the Get HTML button. There's some information here, and now all I have to do is copy and paste this code here onto my source HTML file, and then this particular banner ad right here will show up on my website. So that is all there is to the affiliate ad networks. Like I say, when you first log into something like Commission Junction, you'll normally see, how much money you're making or not making. When you need to create an affiliate relationship, you go over to Get Links, and then you just search. You find out what companies you want to be an affiliate partner with. Once you've found a company you want to be an affiliate partner with, read the contract, make sure you understand what the contract states. Click, become an affiliate. They will go through their process, and then when they're done, you'll go over to to the company. When it's over on you have a relationship with them, and then you can simply go and you can get your links. You get your links, you copy, you paste that information onto your source HTML, and that's all you have to do. So with that, let's go out to the real world and have some final thoughts. So that's a basic overview on how you can try to make money using affiliate ad networks on your website or on your web publishing venture. What I will warn you about is the whole affiliate ad network. It can go either very well for you or very poorly for you. What you need in order for the affiliate ad network to really work is you need followers that will buy products that you recommend. You've got to be Rush Limbaugh. If you say that your people should buy a certain product, They need to be followers of you enough that they will actually go out and buy that product. What I've warned you about before in like the monetization class, and I warn all new web publishers about, is simply plastering banner ads, affiliate banner ads on your website isn't going to do anything for you. You're not going to make any real money. Basically, you're going to be giving away free advertising to all these affiliates, because people go, and again, they may click on a link on your site, and then they think, well, that's kind of interesting. But then they may purchase using their wife's computer. They may find you when they're surfing at home, but then go to the office to make the purchase. So simply putting banner ads is not the way to go. What you want to do is, if you have a blog, some kind of blog, or you have some kind of explanations articles about products, at the end of those articles, put the link, the deep linking with your affiliate in there. If you do websites, specials, you say, hey, I found a great price on 2 terabyte hard drives at Newegg. It's a special today. You need to buy it now. Basically, what you need for these affiliate networks, again, to work, is you need followers that are willing to buy what you tell them to buy. If you don't have that type of followers, it's probably not worth it, because remember, you're not getting paid CPM. If a banner ad shows up, an affiliate banner ad shows up 1 million times on the web, you don't get paid anything. If people click through, if they click through 100,000 times but don't buy anything, you don't get anything. So be careful with that. That's a nice thing with AdSense. At least you're getting cost per click. All they have to do is click. They don't have to do anything. They don't have to go any further. They just have to click. As soon as they click, you make a little bit of money. That can be a lot easier to think about. The next thing that you really get this through your head is every one of these affiliate programs has different requirements and different rules. So although, like I said, you go to Commission Junction, you set up an account, you go to Linkshare and set up an account, that's just kind of a site or a system to house all these affiliate networks. Every single affiliate network affiliate that you apply to within the network has its own rules. How long do the cookies live for? Like I say, if they don't live for at least 30 days, I'd be wary of them, because remember, if the life of the cookie is 7 days and somebody comes back to buy on the 8th day, you don't get a commission. And this is very important. Like I say, in business, in sales, people do not buy the first time they see something. They probably don't buy the second time they see something. They buy something the 5th, the 6th, the 8th, the 10th time. And everything in life takes a little bit of time. So you want to see the longest cookie length as possible, cookie life as possible. The next thing to remember is, again, what are you making commission off of? Are you making commission off of the first sale? So if they buy a $50 item, you get a little commission, but if they go back the next day and they buy a $1,000 item, you get nothing. Is that how it works? Or do you get a commission over a life expectancy? So from the first time that they make a purchase, for 30 days or 15 days or 90 days, you get X, Y, or Z. This is something that you're going to have to look at. And then finally, like I said, on the payment, again, big deal, is how long does it take for you to get paid? Because like I say, a lot of these programs, what they'll do is they will say X amount of days past the end of the month that the transaction happened in. So if they say 60 days past the end of the month, and like I say, it's the first of the month, that means it'll be 90 days before you actually get paid. And then finally, make sure what the minimum commission it is you have to make before you get paid out. Some of these guys are just bastards on doing this, where they make the commission, you have to make $50 or $100 before you get paid. And if you don't get to that mark, if it's a $50 mark and you've made $45 for the commission, well, essentially you've made no commission, because they are not going to pay you until you hit that minimum mark. So make sure you understand what that minimum mark, basically make sure you understand what you're getting into with these contracts. So if you do that, you'll do good. Like I say, deep linking all the way down to the individual product you're talking about is one of the best things you can do for affiliate marketing. And that's really all there is to it. Again, I would just say be careful, think about it clearly when you're going for using affiliate marketing for your business plan, because it can work, and it can be a complete waste of time that gives away a lot of free advertising. It all depends upon your business plan and how you implement it. So this was affiliate ad networks for website monetization. As you know, I'm Eli the Computer Guy over here for Everyman IT, and I look forward to seeing you at the next class.